Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to wrap text in a draw.io. So the first thing I want you to do is open up your diagram, and then I want you to first select the shape and then click here on text. As you can see, this option, word wrap, is not available to use. So while you're selecting the shape, I want you to hold Control on your keyboard and also select the labels you want to wrap, okay? So we're selecting the shape and also the labels as well. So select those while holding Control on your keyboard and you click on it as well. And then you would see right here, the wrap option is available. So all you need to do is toggle this one on. That's literally all you have to do. That is how you wrap text in a draw.io.